Good afternoon, one and all present here. My name is Aman Rajput, and today I am going to explain the topic of density. Our learning objective for this session is what is density. We need to understand what density is, and second, how is it affected by several substances or several things. So first of all, let me define you what is density. As you can see, there is a formula written mass upon volume. So density is defined as mass upon volume. How much mass is present in how much volume. Now there will be several questions related what is mass, what is volume. So mass is defined as the amount of substance, like suppose this is a marker and if I have to tell the mass of this marker, so this marker's mass will be the total amount of particle used to make this marker, so that will be its mass. And we measure mass in gram, okay, sometimes in kilogram, where we have to go for the bigger quantities. And the volume means how much space this marker is taking to be there, means that how much space it is occupying, okay. So and the volume is measured in the smaller quantities in centimeter and bigger quantities in meter cube. Like if you are calculating in gram, then it will be centimeter cube. If you are calculating in kilogram, then it will be meter cube. Now to understand this in more efficient way, we must take an example. Suppose that we are having a stone of 50 gram mass, okay, and we have to find the density, or we need to find that it will sink in the water or not, or it will remain floating. We don't know yet, okay. Now to measure that, we will take a container. In that we will put some water. We will put some water in it, and previously the amount of water will be 50 centimeter cube. As soon as we have taken the water 50 centimeter cube as a V1, volume 1, we will put the stone in it, of this 50 gram stone. The water level will rise and go to 75 centimeter cube, and we are going to label this as a V2, means volume 2. Okay, so till here I hope I am clear to all of you. Now in the next step, we already to calculate the density, we already know the mass, but the final volume we are not able to know. So to get the final volume, there is a thing called V2 minus V1, means final raised volume then the initial volume. If you will subtract, then we will get the exact amount of volume. Okay, so 50 upon 75 minus 50, so 50 upon 25 centimeter cube, and dividation 2 gram per centimeter cube. And for your better understanding, students, I would like to tell you the density of water, normal water, is 1 gram per centimeter cube. If anything above 1 gram per centimeter cube, even it is 1.1, it will sink into the water. But here it is 2 gram, just above than that, okay. So simple assumption is there, and everyone can understood now that why the stone or something that they sink into the water, because they have more density than the normal water. So I have covered first of my learning objective, that what is density. Second, how is it affected, means what things that hamper the density, means how it is increased, how it is decreased, and all that. So for that I have written something. Density is directly proportional to mass. Like if we increase the mass, then density will be increased. But if we keep the mass fixed, okay, but if we increase the volume, then density will decrease. Understood? Now there will be you might have seen that very bigger ships are there, okay, and so many heavier things are there. They do not sink into the water. The first thing, their area in contact, surface area, and second thing is that the water density is too high, so that these ships can maintain the force and they can go along with them. Okay. Now thank you for this topic. I hope this video finds you well. Thank you.